Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi UPS. First, let's gather our essential components. You will need a robust battery, typically a 12-volt deep cycle type, an efficient inverter circuit to convert DC to AC power, and a reliable charging unit to keep your battery topped up. Additionally, a strong enclosure is crucial for safety and durability. Make sure all parts are compatible to ensure smooth operation and prevent any electrical issues. Now, let's connect the heart of your UPS, the inverter and the battery. Carefully attach the inverter's direct current input to your battery, ensuring positive terminals connect to positive and negative to negative. Using heavy-duty wires like 8-gauge or 10-gauge is vital for efficient power transfer and safety. Double-check all connections to be snug and secure, preventing any potential hazards or power interruptions. Next, we integrate the charging circuit to maintain your battery's charge. Connect the charger to the battery, allowing it to replenish power when the main supply is available. Then, link the alternating current output of your inverter to standard power sockets. Remember to install essential safety features like fuses and circuit breakers, rated for at least 20 amperes, to protect against overloads. Finally, verify the charging process works correctly. With all components connected, it's time to secure them within your enclosure. Ensure everything is firmly mounted and that there is ample airflow to prevent overheating, especially for the inverter. Now, conduct a thorough test of your Desi UPS. Plug in a load, perhaps a 100-watt bulb, and simulate a power cut to confirm the seamless transition to battery power. This ensures your system is reliable and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.